876.
Andre Anderson here. Here at the first race meet here at Dover, 2017. Having a rough day. The car was feeling well in practice, handling well. We built more power, so the car was actually running better. But during the first race, on the second lap, I went from low boost to high boost, and I just heard a noise, and also saw that the car was smoking. I pulled in, and when we came and checked it, I realized that we put a hole in the piston. So, we have to go back home to the drawing board, and we have some work to do. But I'm not going to make it discourage me too much. We're going to come again and keep trying to do better and better until we get the result that we want. You know the thing, go. Big up 876 Street every time.
876 Streets.